Pharma 4.0 and digitalization will help us in the industry overall. It's a matter of bringing operations to the next level. ISPE has been highlighting implementation projects for Pharma 4.0 and digitalization in publications at the conferences. So you can really take what others have done and apply it to your company.
And I think the great thing about this is going to be, it's going to give companies a way to say, oh, this is an actual use case of this particular technology, and it's a great way to see what else is industry doing. The coordination overall, I think, is spectacular too. It's very, very organized, and I've been to some other conferences and they don't compare to what we do here at ISPE.